In this video we can talk about top 5 GoCharlie alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel. Today, we are delving into a topic that holds immense value for content creators and business owners alike: the popular alternatives to GoCharlie. If you're on the lookout for powerful content creation tools that can match or even surpass GoCharlie's capabilities, you're in for a treat. The top 5 alternatives of GoCharlie, which are Jasper, Copy AI, ProWriting Aid, Simplified, and Anyword. So let's start it. Our first alternative is Jasper. Jasper is an innovative AI-powered platform designed to enhance content creation, enabling users to draft engaging and impactful written material effortlessly. It offers features like language translation, template library, and browser extension. Its proficiency lies in generating high-quality content, from articles to social media posts, by employing advanced natural language processing techniques. One of the standout features of Jasper is its dynamic tone customization and in-depth content enrichment set it apart, making it an invaluable tool for crafting engaging and polished written material. Our second alternative is Copy AI. Copy AI is a revolutionary platform that empowers businesses and creators to generate persuasive and attention-grabbing written content. It offers features like AI writing generators, tone checker, and text editing. It harnesses the power of AI to assist in crafting compelling marketing copy, product descriptions, and various textual content. Copy AI's standout feature lies in its ability to provide customized content ideas and suggestions that align with specific niches, amplifies its utility for businesses seeking to captivate their target audience effectively. Third alternative on our list is ProWriting Aid. ProWriting Aid is a versatile writing assistant that helps users refine their writing by identifying and rectifying grammar, style, and readability issues. It offers features like grammar checker, plagiarism checker, and transition checks. ProWriting Aid's focus on refining writing style and overall clarity positions it as an indispensable companion for authors, bloggers, and professionals aiming to communicate effectively. One of the standout features of ProWriting Aid is its ability to offer custom dictionary and tone detection features. Moving on to the fourth one, we have Simplified. Simplified is an AI-driven platform that specializes in transforming complex articles, documents, and lengthy content into concise and easily digestible summaries. It comes with exclusive features like AI Content Rewriter, AI Blog Writer, and AI Image Generator. Simplified offers summarization for content in various languages, enhancing accessibility. One of its standout features is its ability to bridge the gap between lengthy content and time-constrained readers, providing a solution that delivers essential insights efficiently. Last but not the least, we have Anyword. Anyword is a cutting-edge AI platform designed to optimize ad copy creation for digital marketing campaigns. It offers features like blog post generator, sentence rewriter, and paraphrasing tool. By harnessing AI, it enables marketers to craft high-converting ad copies that resonate with their target audience. Anyword's standout feature is its predictive performance insights and ad copy variation capabilities, which make it an indispensable asset for digital marketers. Compared to GoCharlie, Jasper's strength in content enhancement through contextually relevant suggestions positions it as a creative tool for writers. Copy AI's strength in providing tailored marketing angles and ad copy suggestions is invaluable for businesses seeking to engage their target audience effectively. ProWriting Aid's role in refining writing style and grammar proves essential for authors and professionals aiming to polish their content. Simplified's ability to generate concise summaries addresses the challenge of information overload, assisting readers in extracting key points from dense content. Anyword's prowess in optimizing ad copy creation aligns with the needs of digital marketers striving for high-converting campaigns. After thorough research multiple AI tools, we would recommend Anyword as a strong contender to GoCharlie. This is because Anyword comes with the ability to provide diverse versions of ad copies and predict their potential performance, which gives it an edge for businesses looking to maximize the effectiveness of their digital marketing campaigns. This standout feature directly addresses the critical need for creating compelling and high-converting ad content, making Anyword a top choice for businesses seeking improved campaign outcomes. As our video comes to an end, we would like you to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more informed software choices. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.